see this?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So this is like a virtual music room, and this is a very interactive music room, which means like if you click on the drums, it will take you a link which I want you to learn a drum. Or for example, if I want to teach you a music theory, something like that, so it will take you to that. Also, these are some. This is like a music beat. These are the chord notes. So this is for the beginner lovers. I'm just showing you. I'm just showing a little glimpse of how I do my classes. This is the music time values, so which I recently did. If you're aware of that, so all these things. So you're gonna get really rich content with these things. Okay. So just don't doubt about these things. Yeah.
No, quite interactive.
Yeah. This is. For example, if you click on the electric guitar, right? You click on the electric guitar, it will open a video which I've planned for you, and right.
Wow, that was good.
So now most of the videos which I select in is self-explanatory. Go back, and if I want to play on, for example, keyboard, right? So if I click on the keyboard, so you have another video which links this thing, and so this is another thing. I also tell how do we do that. This is another video of music theory, meditations.
Metronome.
The metronome? What's that?
Here sounds so cool. We have to take it slow.
So the whole idea of showing you this is like, even if in this one picture, you will have, I think, 10 things to learn from. Now, this is not just a background, but this is, if you click on that smart class thing, that background takes you to Music Chrome lab, what it is. So it's going to be really interesting. Don't worry about it. I have all this content, right? So, and plus these times are pretty difficult for everyone. And yeah, and that's why I thought probably we can utilize, since we are all home, we can at least take out some day, right, to probably help people to just upgrade their skills, so it can benefit them, even come out of stress, probably upgrade their skills, and as we are using these skills to earn money and help ourselves, our family, right? So maybe if trained well, they can convert them into the careers just like us. Like, I'll just start with telling why we're doing this. So this is free of cost, of course, as I promised, as I was sharing this. The whole initiative is free of cost. So all you have to do is just come and join the class, and you can just take the benefit out of it. And the reason why we're doing this is because it's because due to the worldwide situation, we all know, and I was just sharing that, right? So that's why we strongly believe that you can utilize this time to initiate, and it will be really helpful for you. I've already spoken about it. So I would be featuring my brother Gaurav right now. I will just like to introduce himself, and it's very important to know who are going to, because this might be a free initiative, but let me tell you, you're going to get some of the best teachers on board. Yeah. So my brother, he himself is a teacher, and so he is a performer. He knows really good guitar. He's actually a teacher, so he's not like he's like joking around with the things and all. He's professionally doing that, and he's like, it's professional teacher in that. He's teaching guitar, he's teaching keyboard, and he's also teaching vocals, right? And if we talk about his working experience, he's worked with a couple of schools in the past few years, starting with Hamilton Academy is one of them, right? So he's worked there as a music teacher. Then there is Gurukul Academy, where he's also worked. I think some of the students have joined from this school in this. Yeah, if you're from the Gurukul Academy, just let me know in the chat box, right? And yeah, so you can see. And then also there's Gulmohar Green also. Yeah. So this also, you can see him. He's done exceptionally great job with the kids, smaller one. And then he's also teaching with the Rhyme and Rhythm. That's for the pre-primary school. So he has a wide range of experience with teaching with all age groups. He has successfully conducted a lot of programs where teaching, it's whether it's classical, whether it's an orchestra, instrumental. He's done a lot of that. And he himself, as I mentioned, he is a performer. So he performs at gigs. He is professionally giving teaching, like he's teaching them and he's giving lessons for this musical grade, which is Trinity College of London. This is a professional grade which helps you to get degrees in music. There's a little bit disturbance.
I'll be giving guitar lessons,
Okay,
then keyboard, and the
and
vocal lessons.
vocals. Yeah.
Oh, and initial will be like the basically with the beginnings, how what student knows what is music and what are the elements of that.
So
Yeah.
all the three classes you will take, sir, Gaurav sir. The
Yes, ma'am.
keyboard, vocals,
Yes.
all the three.
Yeah. So he will be
And if
taking.
we want to join all, we can join.
Uh, yeah, like initially, yes. But the thing is, I think he's prepared a plan. He's doing two classes together, which is, I think, guitar
Okay.
and guitar is separate
Keyboard.
and guitar and keyboard you're doing together. Yeah. Vocal is a separate class, ma'am. And he will be
Okay.
doing, so the schedule will be shared with you.
All right. Okay.
Yeah, yeah. So these are some of the things which we've initiated. So now this probably what I am going to take care is going to be more of the filmmaking, right? So I am keeping the music part to Gaurav. I'm leaving that to Gaurav, and I'll be teaching filmmaking and also how to be a great YouTuber, right? So
Okay.
these are a couple of the initiative which we have done in even in our school. So these are like children singing. All these things have been done by me, initiated, and I take. If you are wondering, some of you wondering like why are we doing why I'm telling about myself. The only reason is so that you get you get to know that teachers and your mentors who are going to be teaching you are very much experienced in this field, and
Yeah.
so that you know you're in a good hands. So the whole idea, I mean, I was sharing with Gaurav that even if this is for free, right? But ये नहीं कि कोई अनाड़ी लोग कर रहे हैं, right? This is what I just wanted to
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
right. So we've been doing this for a couple of years. Even today also we are on some of the very good institute. I am a full-time music teacher at St. Anandram Jaipuria School. It's in Lucknow, and I'm also heading the media team in the school. So quite experienced. So I will just assure you that you're on a great hands, right? Apart from that, so I've also won this international filmmaking contest competitions and all. So I'm just sharing this thing. This is overall music trophy, right? So in short, yeah, this is one of the an award which I received 2018 for the teaching excellence award. This was only 100 teachers from all over India, and by God's grace I was one of the fortunate enough. And yeah, so this is my students who have won so many competitions in filmmaking. So these are my students from school. So yeah, so these are schools from, so they've won in schools like Study Hall and Le Martiniers and all different sort of schools.
Yeah.
So this is something small. This is the small journey of me as a filmmaker. I would like to also share something, some stats about the current thing. Apart from this, was my academic profile. Now let me tell you off the academic thing. Probably you'll be more interested in that. I also run a YouTube channel, which has like more than 6,000 subscribers, right? I've done over like 90 to 100 videos, so you can see that it's all, so I own that. I'm also getting money from YouTube, so I'm earning money from YouTube, so it's not that I'm just doing it for fun. So I received recently, a few days back, I got a payment from YouTube as well. And this is the time when I will give you an example. Will further, this is another channel. This is our official school channel. If you could see that, can you see that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, so this is again, this channel also got 100 plus videos, and out of which I think most of the videos, and in fact every video, so this is also something which I take care, and I upload all the videos, I edit all the videos here. So this is something which I'm doing professionally, right? So yeah, this
Wow.
also has around it's almost going to touch 2,000 subscribers very soon, right? Apart from that, I also do some of the freelance projects. Like this is one of the projects I'm going to share. Now this was again some of my projects which I have done. So this is by the record label Jago Music. So now this is another project. It's just 9 months ago we did this, and it almost already have more than 2 lakhs of views. This project was full done by me, edited and recorded and everything. You can see direction, Anubhav Singh, editing. So see, the whole idea, I'm just not trying to show off here, but I'm just trying to tell what are the limits, like how you can take these small initiatives into turn into a careers. These are, I'm just showing you some of the career things where you can earn money.
Possibilities, yeah.
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 Great. So yeah, also we so I don't just teach music in school, but I'm also teaching as a professional graded exams as well. So there are a lot of students apart from this also which take music coaching. So that's why I'm just sharing this, because that we've been doing this for a while. So there are students for electric guitar, bass, drums and piano and all these things, and we teach them for for upgrading their grades. And also these are all professional courses which help you, like I am a music teacher, like my brother is a music teacher. So these are, like you have your college degrees and graduate degrees. Similarly,
Yes.
it's of same equal weightage, right? So I do the Rock School London. So this is an international course, Rock School London, and my brother, he's doing the Trinity College of London, right? So yeah, so these are the things. So again, these have courses of bass, drums, guitar, keyboard, vocals, etc. So any questions so far? Anyone?
No, sir. So what will you teaching, sir? You will take video editing. And
I will be teaching. So in my video editing, I'll be teaching photography, right?
Okay.
I'll be teaching filmmaking, editing. I'll be teaching about the cameras, right? I mean, it all comes together, but it also, and then towards the later stage, I'll also be teaching how can you turn these things into being a YouTuber or as a filmmaker, and also you can take it as a full-time, professional videographer, filmmaker. Yeah. So these are the things which we are doing.
Sir, what will be the schedule like on the weekdays or the weekends?
Yeah, exactly. That's a good question, Srishti. So we are planning, because throughout the week, अभी तो क्या है ना कि अभी हम लोग के, because we are full time working teachers, so अभी तो हमारी छुट्टी चल रही है. Rory ma'am can say on that, right? So we are quite relaxed on this, right? But apart from that, in the evenings we do tuition. Like I mentioned, we are doing grades also. We're teaching, so we have a lot of our students. But since I wanted to reach out to people and want to keep this free, so initially we'll be doing it one day in a week, which is going to be Sunday, right? If you have any questions or if you have any doubt on our online capability, that how is going to be possible online. So the whole reason I'm telling you and sharing all these things is because I've been teaching around 500 students every week over the past 2.5 months since the whole lockdown scene has begun, right? So I've been doing that. Even Gaurav is doing this similar thing, string name and a little basic about these things, and then we'll give you some of the exercises to practice, right? Can you all see that?
yes,
Yeah.
yes, sir.
Anubhav, I have a question. How many students will be there for guitar class, like online? How many students are going to be there?
I get a little questionable about the thing, right?
Okay.
The data what we have, according to that, we have how many, Gaurav?
Around 12, 13 students for guitar.
12, 13
Okay.
students, but free, I mean, yeah. And I'm telling you, this one class is going to be full of a lot of tasks and homeworks with that. So which you can do that throughout the whole week, and you can just join in. And if you have any question, you can follow up with all of us. No issues with that, right?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Anyone else who have any questions?
And here I would like to tell that I know Anubhav sir, he is in my school only. Actually, I am new and he is quite experienced and veteran person. And I tell you, everyone, you people are in safe hand and you are going to learn many things. So you should not miss this opportunity.
Yeah, so I would just say that, if you could just suggest a lot of your friends, that would be great, if they also
sure.
make best use of it.
course.
Yeah.
Sure, sir. Sure.
So yeah, it was really nice knowing each of you, and see you in the next class then.
Okay,
Yeah,
sir.
sure.
Thank you very much.
Bye-bye.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll share.
Have a good
Thank
day,
you
sir.
so
Thank you so
much.
much.
Bye.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. All right.
Thank you, sir.